What if you could make eggless cake staying at home this quarantine? How do you make foodie friends? Today I will share how to make eggless vanilla sponge and how to ice it. So let's get started with taking 1 cup of flour in the mixing bowl. I'm putting 50-60 grams or half cup of powdered sugar. After powdered sugar, here I am putting 1 tablespoon baking powder. You do not need so many ingredients to make this sponge. It is very easy and simple. Now here I have added half teaspoon baking soda. Now I am putting 50 ml vegetable oil. And now mix it well until you get that breadcrumb like texture of your mixture. Just mix it well. As you have seen, I haven't used so many ingredients to make this cake. I've only put 5 ingredients into this bowl. Now here I'm putting 1 cup of milk. I have used skimmed milk, but if you want, you also can use whole milk. Give it a whisk. Mix it until you get that smooth batter. You do not need a whisker to mix this cake. If you have a spoon and a bowl and these ingredients, very few ingredients, it is very easy to make this cake. Since it is a vanilla cake, so here I am putting few drops of vanilla essence. Whenever you cook or bake anything, always use good quality ingredients. Never use cheaper one or anything like that. Now after putting vanilla essence, again mix it very well. As I have said earlier, you do not need so many ingredients to make this eggless vanilla sponge. Now here I am putting 1 tablespoon of vinegar. So many people ask me about why do we put vinegar into cake batter. So answer to this question is, since we haven't put any egg in this batter, we have put baking soda, and baking soda reacts with acid. That is the reason I am putting vinegar into my batter. Here our cake batter is ready. Now without any further delay, pour the batter into your cake tin. So here I have lined my cake tin with oil and dusted with refined flour. If you want, you can use butter paper also. And bake your cake in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And here I have my eggless vanilla sponge. Now to decorate my cake, here I am using whipped cream and soaking my sponge with sugar syrup. Sugar syrup acts as a moistening agent to your cake. If you are thinking why my cream is looking quite blue, let me tell you, I have put pinch of blue color into my cream. I am using palette knife to spread my cream or filling in my cake. Palette knife is easily available in the market, and I also believe it is always a good idea to invest in equipment. Make sure you are spreading cream evenly, because if your cream is unevenly spread, your cake will be uneven. Here third layer of my eggless vanilla sponge goes on the cake. Make sure it is even from all the sides. Put more sugar syrup onto that sponge. Cover your cake with the remaining cream. See how I am doing it. If you think I am fast, let me tell you, it is not so fast. I have done this hundreds of times. So here's a tip for you guys to decorate your cake like a pro. Turn your rotating stand or cake stand, not palette knife. See, you can see how I'm doing it. I'm just rotating the cake stand, not the palette knife. I'm just rotating the cake stand and keeping my palette knife straight. Here I am finishing my cake using piping bag and nozzle. I am doing this, but if you want, you can do whatever design you like. Designs on the finished cake is all up to you and your creativity. After this, I am finishing my cake by putting glitter on my cake and this orange gel. I really like putting glitter on my cake because it gives that shine or that sparkling effect to your cake. Designs on the cake depends on what occasion you are making cake for, and also your creativity matters on designing or decorating cakes. It is very easy and simple if you practice more and more. My cake is almost ready. Now final touches with more glitter on my cake. Here we go. Now you can surprise your loved ones with this cake. If you really like my video, do please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.